voice is shot. Oh my god. For those of you who don't know me, I don't usually sound like this. I have a beautiful angelic voice. Just kidding, but I don't sound like this. I'm very raspy because I'm kind of like, I don't know if it's a cold or if I'm getting sick or whatever, but I'm under the weather right now. But I couldn't help but to record to show you guys what I got in my first ever Boxy charm. For those of you who are subscribed to my channel, you know that I'm an IPSY girl. I am an IPSter. I always review my IPSY glam bag, but I decided, I was convinced by not only my friends and my followers, but just random people telling me like you should definitely try Boxy charm. So what Boxy charm is, it's a makeup subscription. I think it's just makeup. I don't know too much about it because again it's my first month, but it is a beauty subscription. It's $21 a month, which is about double, no, it's a little more than double the price of IPSY. However, you get a load of makeup. You get over $100 worth in this box, which is amazing. So yeah, I was convinced to join, and I'm going to talk to you guys and open this in front of you guys and give you all the goodies, and well, not give it to you, girl. I'm just going to show it to you, but I'm going to show you what I got, and you guys let me know. Do you think I should stay with Boxy charm? Should I leave IPSY? Am I cheating on IPSY? Am I cheating on them? I don't know. But we're gonna find out what I got in my first Boxy charm. Yes, I'm gonna open this up for you guys. I want to show you what it's all about. But before we get started, girl, before I open this up in front of you, you know what to do. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I swear I don't sound like this all the time. But if you're not already subscribed to my channel, do me a favor, help a sick girl out, because I'm sick. And your subscriptions will really help me feel better. Not like physically, but like, you know, mentally. So just hit that subscribe button down below. It's down here somewhere, you'll see it. And of course, you've heard this before, but I'm gonna ask you to do me a favor. Click that little bell. That little bell is going to give you a notification every time I upload a video so that you know when I upload it. So, now that you're subscribed to my channel, because I know you subscribed, I know you clicked that bell because we're right here, you know, we're cool, we're friends. This is my first ever Boxy charm. I'm not kidding. I've never tried this before. I kind of have an idea of what's inside, which I'm really excited about because I do follow Boxy charm on Instagram. Why have I never subscribed to Boxy charm? It's very simple. I didn't want to spend $21 a month for items that I wasn't sure that I was going to like. What convinced me to sign up for this $21 a month subscription is the fact that I kept seeing what these girls were getting in here, and I was getting a little jelly. I was getting really jealous of all my friends getting these wonderful items while I'm over here reviewing a $10 glam bag that I'm not, don't get mad at, see, I'm not talking bad upon you or about you. I'm just saying that compared to my IPSY subscription, my friends who have Boxy charm are making me a little bit jealous, and I can't have that. I can't. I don't like to be jelly. So I decided to sign up. I signed up in June, and the box came right in June, which is amazing. It's incredible. I had no wait list. I was just they put me in there, and I got the box. So I'm excited. I want to open it up now for you guys. I don't actually know what even comes in these boxes, so this is all new to me. Alright, so I took the sticker off, and I'm gonna, ooh. See, I didn't know that was gonna happen. I really did it. That's so cute. So it says, hello, charmer. So I open it up. This is what it looks like. This is a box that comes in, and it has a card. It says Boxy charm. So let's look at this card first before we get started. So let's see. So it says Boxy charm with a heart. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. So it says Caribbean Queen. Open this up. Oh. This is basically a breakdown of what I got in my box. This is a box. It has a protective flap. The first item that I am going to take out is the Luxie brushes. Ooh. I needed new brushes, girl. And I just got them. So they're in this bag right here. Super cute. Pink. I love it. I'm going to open it up just to feel them. Very nice. Let me see. So I got a foundation brush, which I never put my foundation on with a brush, so I will be using this for something else. So this is a foundation brush. I also got a dual fiber powder brush. Really nice. Feels amazing. And then the last brush that I got is a tapered highlighter brush, which I love to pack on the highlighter. Yes, girl. So I honestly will be using these. I needed new brushes. The quality, they're beautiful, really soft. So I am loving it so far. Then the next item I'm going to take out is Binghamton lashes. This is the box that it comes in. Super cute. So I'm going to slide this out. Oh no, it opens, girl. So this is what the lashes look like. Beautiful. Definitely worth it. Oh, I can feel them. They do feel a little silky. I like this. Girl, please excuse my voice. I'm about to say that like 1,000 times in this video. Because it's like, I feel like I'm doing good, and then it starts to fade a little bit, and I sound a little crazy, but hang in there. It's worth it. So, these lashes are beautiful. I love the way that they're curved. I don't know if you can see the curvature on these lashes, but they're gorgeous. And then the next item is the Sol de Janeiro, which, by the way, I want to visit Brazil one day. That's on my bucket list. But this is Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. This is cute. Can't wait to try this. I actually want to smell this to see what it's like. So it comes in. Ooh. This smells so good. Oh my goodness. I'm going to show you guys is this JUNE2018. This is a waterproof eyeliner. I'm going to swatch it for you guys right here. See how intense it is. Okay. Okay, I could work with this. I like this. I like the fact that it's waterproof and it's black, because black eyeliner is like go-to. And then the next item, if I can find it, okay, is this full size, what is this, liquid? This is a long-lasting liquid lipstick by Ofra. I'll show you guys right here. Beautiful. So that is what the liquid lipstick looks like. I'm going to try this on because I really like this color. And I feel it. I really do like this liquid lipstick by Ofra. Had to put it on because it's looking cute. Yes. I don't have no voice, but my lips is popping though. Yes. This looks really nice. I will definitely be using this. So cute. You can use it in the summer or the fall. I love it. I would even use this in the spring. You can use this all year round, which is great so far. I'm really excited about this box. Like 10 out of 10 with all the items I've gotten so far. Definitely worth it so far. Okay. So then the last item out of my box is this Alamar eyeshadow palette, which I'm really excited to show you guys. So this is what it looks like. I think that this is so cute. It says Alamar Cosmetics. It's like a little makeup book. And then right here on the spine of the book, it says Reina del Caribe, which is so cute. So Latin theme, and it says volume 1. So that means that there's another volume coming out, girl. Wow, this is gorgeous. Look at these colors. Just look at them. Wow, beautiful. First of all, the design of this is gorgeous. It definitely gives me Caribbean vibes. I love it. It's very me. And the colors, you need these colors for summer 2018. Like, these are necessary. I'm swatching this. I'm going to swatch each and every one of them for you guys. First color that I'm swatching for you guys is La Costa right here. Swatch it right here for you guys. Ooh, honey. Okay. I see you. Look how beautiful. This is gorgeous. So this is La Costa. I will be using this all summer. Matter of fact, I'm going to use this right now. I'm about to make a look. I don't even know. This is beautiful. This is inspiring. So the next color, I love the names of this. El Malecón, which is this one right here. I'm going to swatch this. So this is El Malecón right here. Very Caribbean. Put this right next to it. Honey. Honey. And the next color is this deep turquoise right here. It's called Veradero. I'm gonna swatch this right over here. This is Veradero. Bam, honey. Ew, did you see that swatch, girl? Beautiful. Gorgeous. Love it. The color that I'm gonna swatch is this one right here. It's called Celia. Swatch it right here. Yes, honey. And that is Celia. Beautiful. So those are the 4 metallics. I love them. So now I'm on to the matte shades. So this is called Coco Taxi. It's like very orange shade. And I'm going to swatch right next here. So this is Coco Taxi. Beautiful. Love it. Next shade I am going to swatch is this one right here. This is Tropico. So this is Tropico. Beautiful deep orange. Love it. This is Guantanamera, this burgundy color. Beautiful color. And again, I swear that this is not my regular voice. If you're new to my channel, girl, it'll be back. It'll come. It'll be back. So this is Guantanamera. That is what it looks like on my arm. Gorgeous. I just love the way that these eyeshadows swatch. The last color, which is this deep dark brown, is called Cafecito, which is, girl, maybe you Spanish. And your mom didn't have her cafecito in the morning. You know you having a bad day off the bat. So this is Cafecito right here. It is beautiful, this deep dark brown. And these are all the shades in the Alamar palette. Gorgeous. She did that. I love the fact that it has this like Latin vibe. It's definitely getting me ready for summer. It's getting me ready to go on a vacation. If there's a volume 2 out there, let me know in the comment section below, because volume 1 is popping. It really is. This is it. So, girl, that's my BoxyCharm, my very first BoxyCharm. I cannot believe that I got all of these products. Matter of fact, I gotta show you. Full size, beautiful products. BoxyCharm, you get 2 thumbs up. I'm very excited to receive July's BoxyCharm, especially because that's my birthday month, girl. So, BoxyCharm, you better do it for July. You better do it for the July baby. Overall, I'm shook. I love my BoxyCharm subscription. I am obsessed with it. I'm going to be using every single item. What's my favorite item that I got? I have to say 100% it's that Alamar eyeshadow palette. It's beautiful. One more time. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. It swatches beautifully. The lashes are gorgeous. The brushes are luxe. The Bum Bum cream smells amazing. I will be using that waterproof eyeliner, and girl, the Ultra liquid lipstick. I don't even have to talk for it. It's right there. But anyways, thank you guys so much for dealing with my voice. First off, thank you for dealing with my voice, because it is gone. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure that you click that like button, girl. I know you already subscribed, because if you lasted this long, you subscribed. Obviously, you didn't watch this whole video without subscribing. So I appreciate that. Thank you very much. But if you haven't, do that now before you go. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you for all the love. There is a giveaway coming soon. I will not announce it yet. I'll let you guys know when it's coming because I have hit my first 100 subscribers. 104 at the moment. Hopefully, like a lot more by the end of this video. So thank you guys so much. Guys, soon, okay? Bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go have some cough drops now. I'm gonna go have some Theraflu. And hopefully by my next video I won't sound like this, okay? Alright, cool. Alright, bye guys.